Hi everyone, I restocked my lip balm. I love these tinted lip balms by Nivea. So I bought a 4-pack and let's see what these colors look like. Okay, these are so moisturizing. They are incredible and they give you just enough tint. So this is color number 1, very, very pretty. And then we have this next one. These feel great. It's like a lip balm, but with more moisture. So they're really great for the winter when you just need a little bit more. Also, as I get older, I do like something that is a little more sheer instead of having a ton of color in it. Sometimes the pigmented just doesn't look as great. Okay, so there are all of the colors. They're a tiny bit hard to see in this light, but they're great. Let's try the darkest one on because I think that's the easiest one to see, okay? You can see, like, look at that. It just kind of gives you a nice little pop. This is my favorite. This is the one that I've had for a really long time, this red. Do that one on top. Look at that. Just a little pick-me-up, a little zhuzh, and it is so moisturizing. You get a really nice, just glossy finish, but not too glossy, just like fresh. So if you are looking for like an option that is moisturizing, not super pigmented, but gives you a little pick-me-up, check out these Nivea Fruity Cuties. I love them.